Hello everybody, I'm coming to you from a different spot. This is my front door and I'm outside in nature today because it's such a beautiful day. So I thought I would do a lesson that was teaching us about living things, because right now we're surrounded by all the beautiful things that are popping up in spring. So for example, you might see daffodils and little buds shooting up off of plants, and all of these little buds and little sprouts and things that are shooting up from the ground are a sign that there's so much beauty and wonder in the earth, and that God has created all this beauty, and we know there is so much wonder to be appreciated all around us. So I hope you're taking some time to be outside with your family. I hope you're noticing all the new trees that are starting to bloom and all the beauty that's starting to happen all around you. And I hope you take that as a sign of how much hope and love that we have and we get from God. So I'm bringing you a book, and it's a science book today, and it's called Living Things. And you have been listening to Mrs. Hoover and Mrs. Dallas talk about living things. And this book is an informational book, so it's read a little bit different than a story. It's a nonfiction book if you got one out from the library, and it's utilized as a tool. Oh look, we got Brownlee here. I'm glad you came to visit me, buddy. This book is used for us to gain knowledge when we want to learn about something. So we can read it from cover to cover, or we can just look up the things that we're interested in. Oh, there's a bee flying around. And we can use it as a tool to learn about living things. So before you read, stop the video and make a list of what things you think this book is going to teach us. This book is titled Living Things, and you can see all the pictures on the front. We've got animals, we've got a little person here, a little girl, we've got a plant. What kinds of things do you think this book will teach us? What do you already know about living things? Make a list, and then you'll be getting your mind ready to comprehend and learn from this book. Okay, let's get started. Living things. Living things. We eat. Living things need food. Animals eat food. Plants make their own food. Plants make their food in a process called photosynthesis. So if you want to be a real scientist, you can know when plants take energy from the sun and the soil and their water, they make energy called photosynthesis. We drink. Living things need water. Animals and plants need water. We move. Living things move. Animals move in many ways. Plants move their flowers. They follow the sun. So the daffodils that are surrounding me, they will stretch and they will grow towards the way the sun is shining. You'll see plants doing that. We grow. Living things grow. Baby animals grow into adult animals. Seeds grow into plants. Just like Mrs. Hoover was teaching you about the mystery seed the other day. We have senses. Animals and plants have senses too. Cats use their whiskers to sense things, and some flowers even sense day and night. You can see this flower closes up at night and opens up in the day, so it has senses. Find the living things. Now, if you look on this page, you can focus in and you can say, is a chick living? Yes, a chick is living. Is a plant living? Yes, a plant is living. Is an umbrella living? No, it doesn't grow, it doesn't eat, it doesn't need water. Is a rubber ducky alive? No, it's a toy, it's not alive. It doesn't grow and change and eat. How about a butterfly? Butterflies change and grow and eat and move. How about a person? A person is living. How about a wheelbarrow? Let's think about a wheelbarrow. Not living. A soccer ball, one of our favorite things here at the Yost house, not alive. And of course, bunnies. Springtime is about bunnies. And bunnies are living creatures. So I hope you can go back to your list and you can take a look at what you think this book was going to teach you, and you can check off all the things that this book actually taught you. All right, now because it's such a beautiful day and I want to celebrate, I want to teach you 2 songs. The first song talks about how to plant seeds and what happens. So it goes like this. You plant the seeds into the dirt. The rain comes down in showers. The sun comes out, and what do you know? Up pop the flowers. So that's a really fun song, so you can play that over and over until you learn it. And the next song is all about the signs of spring. So it goes like this. You can tell it's spring when you hear the bluebird sing. As the flowers bloom, you can smell the sweet perfume. When you see drops of rain on a sunny window pane, you can tell it's spring. One more time. You can tell it's spring when you hear the bluebird sing. As the flowers bloom, you can smell the sweet perfume. When you see drops of rain on a sunny window pane, you can tell it's spring. Well, I hope you like these songs. I know that my class had heard those songs before, and I hope you go outside and you can investigate and look for living things. Can you take a brown paper bag and can you collect examples of things outside that were living and look all around you for signs of life? All right, I hope you enjoyed this book, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.